Silent call 37623331. I'll send one silent call 911.
Oh my god, that is hecka rare. 911 telephone outage emergency for for San Juan County. There was a fiber wire cut. Not sure why, but the WR100 didn't go off, and the WR10 wasn't hooked up because I couldn't get a WWG24 signal. But yeah, that's really rare. Third rare alert this year. See you guys later.